Tired of clunky bags? Here's the sleek, safe solution for your Steam Deck and gear. The struggle to protect and carry your Steam Deck. Every gamer knows the feeling. You're excited to take your Steam Deck on the go, but then reality hits. Those bulky, heavy cases just don't do the job. They're too stiff, too clunky, and worst of all, they don't protect your precious device from scratches or accidental bumps. You're stuck between a hard shell that weighs you down and a soft case that offers no real protection. So, what's the solution? You need a bag that's sleek, lightweight, and provides ultimate protection. Enter the Tomtoc carrying case, your Steam Deck's new best friend for travel. Soft protection meets maximum functionality. After countless failed attempts with other cases, you finally stumble upon Tomtoc's W-shaped EVA structure. This is a game changer. With a soft, padded compartment that cradles your Steam Deck and its accessories, your screen stays scratch-free and joysticks protected. No more worrying about wear and tear during your commute, at a café, or even on long trips. Not only does this case keep everything safe, but it's designed to hold your charger, dock, HDMI cables, and other accessories, all in one easy-to-carry, organized space. It's the protection your gear deserves, minus the bulk. Durable, lightweight, and stylish. You've been searching for the ultimate balance, something sturdy enough to endure everyday use but not weigh you down. With the Tomtoc case, you finally find it. Made from durable 840D recycled splash-resistant polyester, it's tough enough to handle unexpected rain, but it's also sleek and lightweight enough to carry everywhere. Plus, with the trusted YKK zippers, you can count on a smooth, seamless experience every time you open the bag. No more fumbling with stubborn zippers or worrying about your bag falling apart. This one's built to last, designed with both style and durability in mind. One bag for all your gear. It's not just about the Steam Deck anymore. You need a bag that can carry everything you need while keeping it all organized. With Tomtoc, that's exactly what you get. Whether it's your iPad, camera, wallet, or other accessories, the case features compartments and pockets designed for everything you carry. The removable W-shaped padding gives you the flexibility to choose how much space you need, whether you're carrying extra accessories or just the essentials. Now, you don't need to carry around multiple bags. Everything you need is in one sleek, organized place. At last, the solution has arrived. The Tomtoc carrying case doesn't just check off all the boxes, it exceeds expectations. With its sturdy, splash-resistant exterior, thoughtful design, and a fully organized interior, you can carry your Steam Deck and gear anywhere with confidence. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or attending a gaming event, this bag ensures everything stays in top shape. Plus, with a 12-month worry-free warranty, you can trust that your investment is backed by quality and care. Say goodbye to clunky bags and hello to the perfect travel companion for all your gaming adventures. Ready to level up your carrying game? Grab the Tomtoc case today and never worry about your Steam Deck safety again.